engihlanyayo bakwenzani ngijeleni. Hayi. Ivime engihlanyayo. Cela ningijeleni. But he was drunk yamasipha. Msunu wa drunk. If utshwala buyabuhlula. If uyakuhlula. Buyeke mfethu. Hawu. Obvious maphuzu utshwala uzodawa. Obvious. Revenge. Angisakora. The old me would do that. But like, engenze revenge and next. Ngiyimfebele. Ngenze next. Even ngifuna ukwenza something ngizomdampa kuqala before ngenze into. Yeah. No, thank you. It's maybe because of the peanuts thing. You know what? With the peanut thing, guys, the grocery is gonna get mad at me. But anyways, it was staged. I think you guys already know. But it was staged. And before anything, I told him about it. When Peanuts kissed my hand, I told him. Before we even started shooting that video, I told Ghost, Ghost. I didn't tell my Ghost to tender, like, check my viewers and stuff. You know? So he was like, I should touch Peanuts, I should do that with Peanuts, hug, what. And I was like, no, call Panda first. And then tell him what you want me to do and see if he approves. And then Panda did approve. So he knew about Peanuts. He knew. My problem is I did not know about the stream at all. At all. Any difference from loyal for Mahala. You should go and stream. No, thank you. No, thanks.